Congratulations to Dance Floor Sweetheart Mamay for bagging the bronze Wish Exclusive Elite Circle 10 million views for her single Ama Kabugera on Wish Exclusive Elite Circle at 8th Wish Music Awards. We are so proud of you. Yan ang sabi ng ASAP Family. Yan po ay kanilang ipinost sa Twitter world, mga kaibigan, kanina lang. Accept the reality says, congrats Marydale, Maymay and Trapa. The same thing Maymay also posted this sa kanyang Instagram account. Ang sabi ni Maymay, all glory to God, grabe man to, na surprise boy. Salamat po, Wish 107.5 sa recognition na ito. Napakalaking parte po kayo sa paglipad ng katakbo naming Ama Kabugera. Congrats po sa buong team ng Ama Kabugera. Tinag niya si Star Papi H, Roxy Legigan, Rox Santos, Jade Richo Soprano, Yumi As MNL, Access PH, Owen Sarmiento, Team Rain and Emelan, J. Mar Lahay, Mims Q, and My Family. Yan po ay ipinost ni Maymay sa kanyang Instagram kanina lang po. And sabi ni Rainier Dagala. Sabi ni Rainier Dagala, we are so proud of you. Love you anak, marami pa tayong lalakbayin. Yan po ang sabi ng kanyang mamang Rainier Dagala. Congrats Maymay, that's from Access PH. Yan po ang iilan sa mga nag-reply sa thread ni Maymay and Trata. Hindi po nagpahuli. J. Marlahay, congrats May. Access PH, congrats Maymay. Mimiya, Roar, May. Love Hanyola from Access PH. Access PH. Love Hanyola is from GeForce. Deserve. Congratulations, Be. Joel Villanueva. Narito na naman po si Sir. Head ng Testa. Congrats, Maymay. Yumi As MNL. Oh, you deserve all of it. Congratulations, Maymay. Kath Kentus, congrats. Deserve na deserve. Sing Fei Love Hong Kong, congratulations. Melendres Leslie, shout out. Congrats, Bessie. Congrats, Bessie. Loves HHJ and KGE. Congrats, baby girl, Maymay. Juana Evelyn Verges and Jean Rickers. Ang hirap naman ang pangalan. Congratulations, Marydale. Sabi ni Dottie, congrats mga Kabugera P-Pop Queen. Ayan po. Ilan lang po yan sa nag-congratulate kay Maymay and Trata.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know all.